everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about finding angle measures given parallel lines or angle measures that prove the lines are parallel. So number one here, where our question mark is and where 130 is, those are both on the left of the transversal line and they're both below their respective parallel line, or what we want to assume or prove to be parallel. So those are in corresponding positions, meaning they're corresponding angles. And with parallel lines, corresponding angles are going to be congruent. So the measure of that question mark is going to be 130 degrees. Number two, the question mark is on the left of the transversal. The 128 is on the right. Those are alternating sides over the transversal, and they're both on the inside of their respective parallel line. So these are alternate interior angles. And we want those to be congruent as well, so the measure of the question mark here is 128 degrees. And that could be a reflection and a translation, or it could be a rotation around. But either way, one angle, the 128, would sit right on top of that question mark. Those are going to be congruent angles. Number three, our question mark and our 66 are alternating over the transversal, and they're on the outside of the two parallel lines. So these are alternate exterior, and we want those to be congruent. So the measure of the question mark angle is 66 degrees. Number four, 80 and question mark are on the same side of the transversal, and they're on the inside of the two parallel lines. So we call those same side interior or consecutive interior. And when things are on the same side and also interior or also both exterior, those are supplementary. We use the word supplementary, but then in order to find the angle, we need to know that supplementary means two angles that add to 180 degrees. So the measure of the question mark must be 100 degrees. 80 plus 100 is 180. Number five, we have a question mark and we have a red box that indicates 90 degrees, the red box indicates a right angle is 90 degrees. So they're on the same side of the transversal and they're both inside the parallel lines. These are also consecutive interior. And the angle that we need to find is going to be 90 degrees. If we have a right angle here, this is 90 degrees. That one's 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 is 180. That ensures that our consecutive interior angles are indeed supplementary. And last here, number six, we have the question mark and the 81 on the same side, but the question mark is inside the two lines and 81 is outside. So they're both on the right of the transversal and they are both below their respective parallel line. So these are corresponding. They're in the same position. They're in corresponding positions. So these are going to be congruent. So that means the measure of angle question mark is 81 degrees.